Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a QX60. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system, so if anybody busts out a window and try to steal the airbags, or they try to leave the car on full brakes, the alarm will fire off. I'm going to go ahead and illustrate that right now. I'm going to go ahead and fire off the alarm. First of all, I want to make sure the alarm is armed. It's not. Let me arm it. Once you alarm it, we got to wait about 30 seconds for the alarm to actually engage. There's a little red light that's going to be in your instrument panel there. It's going to be solid. It looks like a little picture of a car with a little key inside. Once it starts flashing, that means the alarm is ready for you. I'll take a peek at it now and see. It is still solid. It's going to take a few more seconds. I'm going to go ahead and pound on that first tire, and that should fire off the alarm. Okay, it's already ready. Basically what you want to do, you want to buy a set of nut locks, maybe put 2 or 3 per tire, and give them a reason why they got to bang them out. Normally they stick a socket and hammer it in by pressure and retreat them out, so the shock sensor will love that. Give him the text alert, so he gets an alert when the alarm fires off to his phone anywhere in the United States. Okay, it also comes with the app and it has GPS, but for security reasons we're not going to show where the vehicle's at. This shock sensor add-on with the factory alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.